Hi, welcome to this tutorial on creating a portfolio website using Google Sites. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to create a professional looking website that will include some pages. So it will be a basic tutorial, an introduction to Google Sites to help you build your portfolio of learning website. And at the end, we're going to add a blog section under SHL. Okay, let's start. Step 1, we are going to access Google Sites. To access Google Sites, you go to the address bar, you type site.google.com, and once we are in, we're going to create a blank website. So we click on this button. It will take us to our new website. First of all, we're going to name our website. On the top left, where it is written Untitled Site, you just put your name. For this one, let's say student name. So that should be your name. So our website is a name, or our project is a name, and we're going to change also the title of the page, because this page is going to be our home page. And so let's name it your name. It should be your name and portfolio of learning. Your name, portfolio on learning. Let's adjust it. Okay, so we have our banner, we have the name of our site, and we have the title of our home page. This is by default the header that comes when you create a new page. If you don't want this image background, you can choose your own. So for this project, I've also selected an image that we're going to use. So to change it, you click on the background image. This menu will pop up, giving us two options. One, image, to change the image background, and the other option is to change or to select the header type. For this project, I would like us to use this large banner. So we select the large banner and we click on the background image. We click on the image, we go to upload, and then we navigate where we have stored our asset. Okay, here we're going to choose the header background. It's an image, a free image that I have downloaded from freepik.com, and click on open. Then we have our image in the background, and we're going to adjust, or we're going to format the title. We're gonna make it bold, so we have a good contrast between the background and the foreground and the title. So we have our header created, we have our home page created. So now let's create the other pages. We have a page section and a theme section. So before we create pages, let's select a theme. This is very important. So your website need to have a theme that will be the identity of your website. So under theme section, we're going to select a color. Let's just use this simple color. Let's select this green color. Once this selected, our website has a theme. Now let's create pages. On the pages section, we can see our home page is already listed. And to add another page, you just scroll down to the plus button here where it's saying new page. You click on new page. This window will pop up. Here you have to name the page. Let's name this one About Me. This will be the About Me page. Notice because we have selected the background image on the first page. So every page we are going to create after this first page will automatically have the same background, the same head with the same background image. If you want to change it, you can change it later. But for this one, let's keep it like this. Let's create another page. Okay, now we have our pages. We are going to create sub pages. To create a sub page, you just select a page. On the menu, on the right menu, under pages, you select the page where you want to create sub pages, and on the hyperlink of the page on the right, you click on the three square button. When it will pop up, you navigate to add sub page. You click on sub page and let's name it. So here we want to have something like reflections. We have a sub page name reflections. We go back on top of the main page, SHL page. We repeat, click add a new sub page, and this one will be named engagement proof. Let's name it engagement proof. And let's add another one. This one will be called, let's add another one. This one will be called thinking and writing laboratory. So under SHL page, we have 3 sub pages. Let's stop there for now, and we are going to do the same for the other 2 pages. But for this tutorial, we're just gonna create sub pages on the SHL page. Once we have our 3 pages, we're going to add another page that will be a blog page. To create it, we just to follow the same procedure. You just click on the 3 square button and you click on add sub page. We name it blog, or let's say SHL blog. So we have our blog under SHL. Once we have created all the pages, we are going to put content on these pages. We're gonna start with a home page. Click on the home page, and then on the home page we wanna have an introduction for the website, because the home page is like the summary of your website. So let's start with an introduction. In this project, we're going to start with a text box. On the right menu under insert, this is the toolbox. Here you're going to find everything to create content on pages. So here we need a text box where we're gonna put our introduction. You click on text, give us this box, and we are going to look for sample text on Google. So we are going to copy any paragraph just to fill that text box. So we copy here, and under introduction we want to have shortcut buttons for our 3 courses. and we'd like to have 3 image buttons with title and a short introduction and a read more button. So when somebody click on the button to take them to the page. To do so, we go under content blocks. We select these three column section. When you click on it, it will put it on the page, and here we're going to customize them. So we have 3 columns. One column will be for SHL, the other one for Foundation of Public Health, and the last one will be for person, family, and community. Let's start with the first one. We have already our images that we have selected, images that we want to put here. So here we're going to put a banner for this course. We click on the plus button, we click on upload, we navigate, and we select the banner for SHL. And when we click on upload, the image will appear, but it will be cropped. If we want to have our full image, we are going to uncrop it. To uncrop it, you go to the top menu, you click on uncrop. See, we have now our full length image. Let's name this one because the image has already the title of the course, so we don't want to repeat it. Instead, we are going to put the course code, but here we just type SHL code. Just leave it like that. And under text section, we are going to put a short introduction. Go here, align, justify. Let's reduce the font size. Click on font size. We want it to be 12 pixels. Okay, we have our first column, and we are going to repeat it for the other 2. We're going to add the read more button on this section or on this column. To add it, you go to the right menu. Under insert, you scroll down, click on button. It will tell you to name your button. Let's name it read more. And under link, we're going to link it to SHL. So we have our button here, but we don't want it to be here. We want it to be exactly under this column or on this column. So we just drag it. Once we see this blue bar, we release, and our button will be just at the bottom of the column. We're going to repeat for the others. Drag and drop it there. So we have our 3 columns for the 3 courses. So we are going to add a footer. To add a footer, we click on add footer. It will give us a text box. So we want to have 2 text boxes here according to the information you want to put. For this project, we want to have 2 columns. So we are going to resize this text box to be half the page, and here we're going to put our phone detail. Let's say phone. Here you put the phone, and we are going to duplicate this one to save us time. The phone number, select it, we go to align and center it. So we have our footer. And something you have to keep in mind when you are working, you have to preview every step so that you know how your website is looking like. So to preview, we go on the top menu and you're gonna see this button, preview, but the preview button, you click on it. It will preview your website, to preview your page, and you can navigate, you can scroll and to see how the page is looking like. Okay, let's go back to the edit mode. We want the first section, the introduction section, to have another background. Another background. To do so, you select the section on the left here. You click on the left, so your section is selected. And on this menu, you click on section colors. These are colors by default. You can even choose an image as a background. You can select from Google or you can upload your own image. For this one, we are going to create style tree because this is the color of our theme. Once we click on style tree, we're going to have this green background. And because our background is green, we are going to create a contrast between the background and the text. We're going to change the color of this text. We select it and we click on the A button to change the text color. Click on it and you click on the color you want to use there. For this one, we're going to use white. We select white. So our text will be white on a green background. And we want to repeat this same green on the footer. So the footer will have the same green color. So we select the footer and we click on section colors, style tree. Let's preview. See, now we have this look. Let's go back to edit mode. Now we are done with our home page. Let's put content to the About Me page. On the pages section, we select About Me. And we want the header to have another style. So you select the header, you click on header style. Let's make it a normal banner, a normal size. Click on banner. Yeah, so we can reduce just the size and keep the same image. So we want it to be like this. So we're gonna do it for all the other pages except for the home page. For the home page, we want to have a big header. Okay. For this one, we need another layout. We're gonna use an image and text. An image on the left and the text on the right for the first section. So the image will be your own image. So let's go to insert and under content blocks, we're going to select this first one, image text block. Before we put a resume, let's separate section with a divider. So under insert, we click on the divider. It will put a line to divide the two sections. And under the divider, we're going to put another section. For this one, we don't want to type or we don't want to paste text. We want to upload our CV. If it's a PDF, so we want to upload it as a PDF. If it's a Word document, we have to upload it as a Word document. But before we do so, those files need to be uploaded on your Google Drive. Once they are uploaded on Google Drive, we go here on the Docs. When you click on Docs, to take you to your documents on your Google Drive. So you select your resume. For this one, let's put this template. It's a Word template. You select it and you click on Insert. See, it's going to insert the document on your page, and the document is long. So if we leave it like this, people are going to scroll, but we don't want people to scroll. So let's scale it down. Let's preview. Click on preview. This is our About Me page. Now let's put content under blog. Go back to edit mode. We go under pages. Click on SHL to reveal all the sub pages, and we click on blog, SHL blog. So let's bold the title. Here we're going to keep it simple, just a simple layout. For the blog, we're going to use title, image, text, or title, text, image, title, text, video, and so on. So we're gonna start with a title. This one will be, it's a blog title. So the title need to be big. To make it big, you select it, you change the font size. You want all the title to be 24 pixels and bold. And the color, we're going to choose the color of our theme. I think it's this one. All right. So after the title, we want to have some information. We put again a text box, and there we're going to put some information, text information. And under that, we're going to put an image or a video. So we're going to select this content blog. We want to have two images under it. We select this one. So here we're going to put an image. Let's just repeat the same image because we didn't preview an image for that. Okay, we just keep it like that. And the title for the image, let's just say health sciences. And here we're going to put a video, a YouTube video. You just click on the plus button, you navigate to the YouTube button, you click on it. to give you an option to search for a video you want to put there. Let's search for health sciences course. Let's select the first image and insert. So let's just type the title here is what is health sciences? We just leave the text box empty because we just want to have image and title. Or we can delete this one, just can delete this text box, click on it, delete it, and you click on this one, we delete it. So we just have image with title, video with title, and at the bottom we want to end our subject with some information with text box. So we click on the text box and we put information and so this is our blog page. This is where your blog page will appear on the sub menu under SHL. So we are going to publish this website. Let's publish this website. Go on top and click on publish. And under web address, you're going to put your name. For this project, we just put this name, but remember to put your own name. And here we don't check this box, we just leave it unchecked like this. This allows Google to list your website every time people are searching about your subject. Okay, we click on publish. Our website is successfully published. Or to view it, let's click on the link button to have this link that you are going to share with your course coordinator or your tutors. Click on copy link and let's test it here. There we go. We have our website published. So you can navigate, click on About Me to give us the About Me page. When you click on SHL, because we didn't put any information here, if you click on reflection, it will take you to reflection, and if you click on SHL blog, it will take you to the SHL blog. Hope this was helpful and you are going to succeed on creating your portfolio of learning. Thank you very much.